Hello everyone. We group topic is restaurant innovation. We group mate is the Fengxiang and Dongyu. The first one is the program. The let's respect customers. When we pass the data analysis, many food and beverage outlets will find the population of old customers is very low, and the population of new passengers is very large. In fact, this is a dangerous signal, especially in the crowded Pleasant Street, because your business standard from the beginning, there is no change and the impact on the amounts. But the loss of old customers show that you have done a lot of sales, and many customers have been taken away by others. The second is solution. Designing a takeaway platform about restaurants. As a server industry, the creating industry is very tempting on the popularity of user, and the smartphone user as the world's largest use population will creating become a largest market for the creating industry. The third one is the market. According to research from Statista, the U.S. online food distribution market is like to grow from nearly 17 billion in 2018 to more than 24 billion in 2023. Even if the market is still growing, there is no such thing as a company in the US takeaway market that can occupy a large market share.
And our uh, competitive advantage is we have about the uh, delivery fee. We is a monthly service, and the app is according to the restaurant. Uber Eats is $4.99. Here we have million delivery consumption, and we have the location real-time update. Only Uber Eats have it, and the other one don't have it. And we have our unicorn part is we can choose the meal time. If you want to have a breakfast at 9 a.m. tomorrow, you can order the at night, and when you wake up, our uh, deliver, uh, delivery can set it on time, and we have some discount with some restaurants. This is our business model. We are comparison with restaurant. Restaurant for us some discount on order or regularly la- launch some promotion. We provide personal to help take away, and customer reduce the takeaway fee by paying monthly fee. If the restaurant pay advertising fee, we can give him some conspiratory. And this is our business milestone. We plan on 2019. We have some have many comparison restaurant in Taipei, and then next year we plan cover on platform in Asia, and 3 years 3 years after 3 years we plan to West Concert, and at 2025 we plan to cover all of the US. I think it's very crazy, but it's our goal. And this is our team member. Dongyu is the investor, and I am the platform design. That's all. Thank you.